Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia back with yet another wig review. I know it's been a while, but today's video is featuring a company called Luvme Hair. I have worked with them several times before, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. If you have not subscribed already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm getting ready to show you one of the easiest, most natural looking wigs, how to install, beginner friendly, no plucking, no tinting, no gluing. You guys know I love a glueless unit, and I got so many compliments from wearing this Luvme wig. So without further ado, I'm going to get straight into the video. I'm showing you guys how the packaging came. Luvme always goes above and beyond with the packaging, as a nice purple ribbon on top, and they also include a goodie bag as well as the wig. So because it is Christmas season, they added in some lashes, some Christmas nails, some Christmas labels, as well as a cute little Christmas bag to throw a gift in. And then we also have the wig in here as well. So I thought that was really cute. I actually am going to use the bag for one of my son's shirts that I got for Christmas by one of his favorite YouTubers. I don't want to say too much, but this is the unit. They sent me a 24-inch undetectable lace natural hair wig, and it ships within 24 hours. They do offer express shipping, and this is their flawless melt Luvme 4C edge unit, and it's like afro texture inspired, and it is 100% human hair. It is glueless and it is bomb.com. When I tell you guys I just popped this unit on, I didn't have to do any baby hair. I didn't have to finesse. I did go in and press it out with my Kendra's Boutique flat iron or my hot comb, but I didn't even have to do too much. So I'm just showing you guys how the unit looks. It has the 4 combs, and then it also has the adjustable band as well as the straps in the back, just for a little bit extra security. And all I did for this unit, guys, was pop it on. I made sure to braid my hair into 2 French braids. I threw a wig cap on top, and then that black strap that you just saw me pop on the screen, I just hooked it inside of the hooks that it came with. And I put this on my head, and it laid super flat once I hot combed it with my hot comb. So I'm just showing you guys the texture, and this unit is 24 inches that they sent me. So again, I will be sure to oh my goodness, I'm already drinking, but I will be sure to link everything down below that I'm using, as well as Luvme information for this unit and any codes that they send me. So you guys know I'm all natural, so this is my natural hair. It's actually growing pretty decently after I cut this bob, and I'm just going in and putting in 2 French braids. I did do that off camera because my hair was quite curly from sleeping on it, so I just added a little bit of water, and then I did 2 French braids, and then I did my makeup off camera, and here I am looking super snatched. Boom. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this wig cap on. Again, I have 2 French braids in my hair, and then I'm just showing you guys how I adjusted those straps in the back. I always do like the first setting so that way it's not too tight. Then I put that black strap across the back of my head, the nape area, and then I'm just putting this closure on and pulling it up. This is a 5x5 closure unit, and again, this is super flawless melt. It's no extra work, so you can literally pop this on and not do anything to it. I love the fact that it had the natural edges to blend with the natural curl pattern, because I feel like a lot of times these natural units, they have those really sleek down baby hairs, and the baby hairs never match the actual unit. So I love the fact that this actually gave me like 4C, like very kinky textured edges, and I could go in and wear them just like they are as is, or I could press them out. So me being extra, I did go in and press them out. But once I cut this lace, you guys can see how it's melting already. And again, I did not have to do anything to this unit. The hair was super soft. It was super full. It was full from root to tip, and it was not broken off, and it did not shed. That is something that's super major with me, because I hate having units that once you put them on, the hair is limp or it's very thin. I hate a thin unit, even though my hair is not super thick. I hate having thin ends because it just makes the wig feel very cheap and not of good quality. So I really appreciate the fact that Luvme paid attention to detail when it came to like a wig that matches our texture, and you can literally pop this on. And I got so many compliments, guys, at work wearing this. Of course, I had my makeup on, but everybody was like, I love your hair, I love your hair. And I'm like, guys, this is a wig. And they're like, get out of here. So I wore this unit for a couple of days. If you are following me, I definitely posted this on my page as well, just giving them like a subtle shout out. But I'm going in with my Luvme. Oh my goodness, no, I'm not. I'm going in with my Kendra's Boutique flat iron, or my hot comb. I want to call it a flat iron so bad, guys. But I'm going in with my Kendra's Boutique hot comb, and I didn't put any product on here. I really just wanted to see how this unit was going to work. And after this first run through, I did put a little bit of heat protectant, but this hair is super full. I have a really tiny head. I'm about a 22-inch circumference, so not big head at all, but I just figured I would go ahead and press out any of those dents from it being in the bag, and it came out flawlessly. I didn't even have to run my flat iron through it, which I was super shocked. And I love like that natural kinky texture. And you can see the back, how nice it looked. And I'm going to go in and press it out just a little bit more. But I could have definitely gotten away with wearing it just like this. And then I do plan on throwing this unit in and doing like some big wand curls or some flexi rods just to give it like a twist out or like a braid out type of feel. So I've been rocking this unit all week at work, and again, everybody's been loving this. So this unit comes with baby hairs, and I did go ahead and press them with my hot comb. And now I'm just going in with a little bit of foam wrap. I'm going to mold these down. It's going to look crazy for a second, and then I'm going to tie it with a Sanex strip, and I'm going to blow dry it for about 10 minutes. Once I'm done that, I am going to go in and point cut the baby hair just so that way they're not too long and not too thick. This is completely optional. Again, you can wear the unit as is. You don't have to do anything, but I wanted to pay a little bit more attention to the hairline and just show you guys another option. Because this unit is natural, I didn't want to go in with super slick stage curtain looking baby hairs. I wanted to go for a really natural, like I just pressed my hair out look. So that's kind of what I was going for. And again, I don't have this glued down. I don't even have the combs in. All I have holding this unit down is that black band in the back. And that was enough to keep it on for a 10-hour workday. I was very shocked because I know sometimes those bands, they're not really secure and your unit can slide back. But this unit did not slide back at all. So I'm just going to blow dry this, and then I'm going to go in, like I said, and point cut the baby hair. I do want to mention this hair is super, super soft, and it felt like my hair, like it was actually creeping me out. So I like the fact that this unit is super, super low maintenance. You can style it side part or a middle part. It is a 5x5 closure unit, and I like the fact that it matches with like our natural hair texture. So if you're natural and you go for like a blowout look, this is the perfect unit for you if you don't want that super sleek Brazilian look. And this hair is 24 inches. They say that it can last for a year or more. And this unit is 150% density, and they mean that. It is in the natural color that it comes in. It's like a 1B/2-ish. And I didn't have to do too much. It actually blends with my natural hair color. And you can adjust the straps and everything. And you can keep the combs in or take them out. Typically, I take the combs out, but I left them in for this unit just to give me a little bit more security if I need it. But I honestly didn't even need the combs. Like, this band was really secure without being super tight. So now that I got that all out the way, again, I will drop everything down below. If you guys want to see more exclusive content and you want to know this exact unit that I have on, please, please, please be sure to show Luvme some love and drop some love in their comments. But comment down below and let me know if you've worn any of their units or if you've worn this texture unit, whether it's from them or not. This unit, I definitely will give a 10 out of 10. You guys know if I don't have to do too much to a unit, I'm here for it. You guys know I have 3 kids, a military husband. I work an hour away from where I live. So if I can just get up and pop a unit on without doing too much, this is literally something I would wear every day, and I have been wearing this every day. So if you're following me on Instagram, you will see this on my post, and you can also see it on my community tab. So I'm just going to finish pressing out this hair just to show you guys the natural look that I was going for. I am going to brush this hair back ever so slightly, and then that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and my tutorials and showing me so much love. I will be going on vacation in about a week, so I'll be gone for about 2 weeks. But thank you guys so much. I can't wait to bring you guys some awesome content, and also to just show you guys the amazing content that I have coming in 2023. And shout out to Luvme for sending me this beautiful unit. Look at this, 24 inches, nice and full, bald wear, honey. Like, you can't tell me this is not my natural hair. So with that being said, I hope you guys love this tutorial and this quick review, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.